Hi everyone, I'm Advitya and today I'm going to talk about Redmi Note 10s. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now. Not only it looks gorgeous but also performs well. Let's have a closer look at it. This is the Redmi Note 10s, the shadow black variant with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. Its dimensions are 16.05 by 0.83 by 7.5 centimeters and it weighs 179 grams. First off, the phone has a 6.43-inch large AMO LED dot display in 20:9 aspect ratio, which ensures a superior media viewing experience. The MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core processor along with the latest MI user interface 12.5 delivers immersive user experience while keeping the power consumption low, thereby making the 5000 MHz battery even last longer. Next, the 64 megapixel quad camera, which has several modes including nighttime, ultra-wide and portrait that capture all your moments just right. The body of the phone sports EVOL design, is thin, lightweight and IP53 rated and includes the fingerprint sensor on the side. Other features includes dual stereo speakers and UFS 2.2 storage. Thanks to the 33-watt Type-C fast charger that comes included in the box, the phone takes very little time to recharge. The body of the phone sports an EVOL design. It's lightweight, thin and IP53 rated. It has a fingerprint sensor on the side.